Imagine never forgetting to track time spent on tasks again. With Toggl Track, your time tracking can be effortless. Our automated solution logs all your work activities seamlessly throughout the day. Just a click and you can copy your activities to your timesheet. A common pain point? Managing time can be a hassle, but it doesn't have to be. Say goodbye to manual logging. Enjoy automated tracking that is both error-free and simple to use. Toggl Track helps you bill clients accurately. Capture every billable hour easily and build trust with detailed reports. Our software is designed for 100% privacy. No sneaky surveillance here. Why choose Toggl Track? It integrates with over 100 tools you already use, making project management a breeze. Plus, our low learning curve means you can start tracking time faster than ever. Ready to make time tracking easy? Sign up for our free plan today, no credit card required. Take control of your time and elevate your productivity.